they said it was over. 5 years ago, the experts whispered that the 650 V-twin was a relic of the past, a dinosaur waiting for the parallel twin meteor to strike. We saw the 800DE arrive with its fancy new heart, and we all thought, this is it. Goodbye, V-Strom. But look at what's standing in front of us today. The 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT hasn't just survived. It has evolved into the most refined, bulletproof, and real-world adventure bike on the planet. If you're looking for a bike that values soul over spec sheets and reliability over radical gimmicks, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're finding out why this old dog is still teaching the young pups new tricks. The heart of the beast, the immortal V-twin. Let's talk about that engine, the 645cc 90-degree V-twin. In a world of 270-degree parallel twins that try to sound like V-twins, this is the real deal. For 2026, Suzuki has somehow managed to keep this engine Euro 5+ compliant without choking the life out of it. You're looking at roughly 70 horsepower and 62 Nm of torque. It's not rip your arms off power, but it's get you across the continent power. The character is what matters here. It's smooth, it's linear, and it has that signature V-twin growl that resonates in your chest. Whether you're lugging it at low RPMs through a muddy trail or screaming at 8,000 RPM on the highway, it never feels stressed. It feels permanent. The XT factor, ready for the rough stuff. The XT badge isn't just a sticker, it's a promise of versatility. For 2026, the XT trim continues to offer those beautiful gold anodized wire spoke wheels. They aren't just for show. They provide the flex you need when the pavement ends and the rocks begin. You get the rugged handguards and the engine undercowling as standard. Suzuki has kept the 19-inch front and 17-inch rear setup, which is the sweet spot for riders who spend 80% of their time on the road and 20% exploring fire roads. It's a bike that doesn't pretend to be a dirt bike, but it refuses to be stopped by a little gravel. The tech paradox, simple but smart. Here is where the 2026 model might surprise you. Suzuki has finally acknowledged that we live in the future. While the core of the bike remains mechanical and tactile, the 2026 V-Strom 650 XT finally gets a full-color 5-inch TFT display. No more squinting at the old analog-digital hybrid. It now features basic smartphone connectivity for navigation and calls. But here's the best part. They didn't overcomplicate it. You still get the easy start system and the low RPM assist, which makes stalling nearly impossible. The traction control has been refined with a new gravel mode borrowed from its bigger siblings, giving you just enough slip to feel like a pro off-road without losing the tail. Ergonomics. The couch of motorcycles. If you've ever spent 8 hours in a saddle, you know that horsepower means nothing if your back is screaming. The 2026 V-Strom remains the king of comfort. The slim tank, wide seat geometry allows you to tuck in comfortably. And the adjustable windscreen has been slightly redesigned for 2026 to reduce helmet buffeting for taller riders. The seat height sits at a manageable 835mm, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. It's a bike you sit in, not on. It's a cockpit designed for the long haul, where every button is exactly where your thumb expects it to be. The big surprise, the Secret 2026 upgrade. All right, I promised you a surprise, and here it is. For years, the biggest complaint about the 650 XT was the budget suspension and the non-switchable ABS. For 2026, Suzuki has listened. The front 43mm forks have been internally updated with new valving for better bottoming resistance. But the real kicker? The 2026 XT now features rear ABS deactivation. That's right. For the first time in the 650's history, you can officially leak the rear wheel into a corner on the dirt without the computer fighting you. This one change transforms the bike from a tourer that can do dirt to a genuine adventure machine. Handling and real-world riding. On the road, The lightweight twin-spar aluminum frame makes this bike feel much lighter than its 216-kilo curb weight suggests. It tips into corners with an eagerness that puts some sport tourers to shame. The 20-litre fuel tank is still there, and with the engine's incredible efficiency, you're looking at a range of nearly 450 kilometers. It's the ultimate one-bike solution. You can commute on it Monday, hit the twisties on Saturday, and disappear into the mountains on Sunday. The verdict, why it still wins in 2026. So, who is this bike for? It's for the rider who is tired of planned obsolescence. It's for the rider who wants a bike that will start every single morning for the next 20 years. In 2026, the Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT is a statement. It's a statement that says, if it isn't broken, don't just fix it, perfect it. It's cheaper than the 800DE, more reliable than its European rivals, and more soulful than almost anything else in the middleweight class. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a companion.